Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix CryptPad white screen issues in 2026. So if CryptPad opens to a blank white page, gets stuck while loading, or doesn't display any content, this guide will help you fix it step by step. First, refresh the page and wait a few moments for CryptPad to reload completely. Temporary loading problems can sometimes result in a white screen. Next, check your internet connection and make sure it is stable. A weak connection may prevent important website resources from loading properly. Now clear your browser cache and cookies. Corrupted browser data is one of the most common causes of white screen issues in web applications. Next, try opening CryptPad in an incognito window or a different browser. This helps determine whether the issue is related to your browser configuration. Now disable browser extensions temporarily. Ad blockers, script blockers, and privacy tools can sometimes prevent CryptPad from loading correctly. Next, make sure your browser is updated to the latest version. Older browsers may have compatibility issues with modern web technologies. Now check that JavaScript is enabled in your browser, since CryptPad relies on it for many of its core functions. Next, close unnecessary tabs and applications to free up system memory and improve browser performance. Now restart your browser and try accessing CryptPad again with a fresh session. Finally, if the issue continues, restart your computer and test CryptPad once more after the reboot. And that's it. You've successfully fixed CryptPad white screen issues. Now the platform should load properly without displaying a blank page. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.